Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Channtales. In today's video I'll be showing you how to apply clip-in hair extensions to add instant length to your hair, so stay tuned. Hey guys, so for today's video you will need a hairbrush, of course a comb, and a pack of clip-in hair extensions, which usually comes with 8 pieces inside. You can get synthetic or Remy hair. I'm using Remy hair because it is heat resistant and I can use straighteners. Whichever you choose to get, make sure you know what color you are getting first, and I'll leave a link in the description box to the brand that I use, which I believe is called Rush. Before clipping in your hair extensions, you want to make sure you have already prepped your hair and organized your clip-ins in the order of what layer goes in first. So as my hair is already prepped, I'm just going to go ahead and create my first parting at the back of my head. So you want to make sure that the first parting is not too low down, but is leveled from ear to ear, so your first clip-in has enough hair to hold on to. Now you can go ahead and clip in the pre-sewn clip-in on your first parting. Some people choose to backcomb their hair for more of a grip, however I don't, as I have less hair to detangle when I take them out. So as you continue clipping the rest of your hair extensions in, be sure to brush through the hair as you go along for a perfect blend. Okay, so when you're halfway through, like I am here, minus the arm ache, you can literally play around and decide on how you want your hair to be styled, whether you want a middle parting or a side parting. So I'm just going to add the last 2 baby clip-ins at the sides. So be careful with the size of your hair when brushing, because if your hair is anything like mine and you know you have already fine hair or finer sides, just be sure to apply less pressure. Okay, so for the finishing touch, you want to use an edge control for a more refined and neat finish for the sides. I'm using the ORS olive oil edge control, which is a sticky substance, and depending on your hair type, you may not need edge control. You may choose to use hair gel or a mousse, whatever you feel comfortable using. And as I mentioned before, I use straighteners if I want to curl my hair, and in this video I had a side fringe that just did not want to cooperate, so I used a good amount of hairspray to complete my look. I really enjoyed filming the video for you guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, and give the video a thumbs up, subscribe and press the notification bell for future videos. You can follow me on Instagram or Facebook at Channtales, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.